Hello, Sushikins and Sushi Queens. This is your WWE YouTube World Sushi Heavyweight Champion of the world. And you can acknowledge me as a head of the Sushi Buffet. So welcome back to another food review today because you are amazing. Keep it going. Giving me a lot of subscribers. Thank you for giving me 1K and 65 on my other channel. Please give my second channel really high. Please. With me and my boy, Vinsola. Come on. But after all, we got a good deal today. So we got the greeny pasta salad. And also a burger. If you love this stuff here, this is because below. We gotta look at this. Oh yeah, we good stuff here, boys. Yeah, so we're gonna go tap into our food review today. Shout out to my mom because she actually made this awesome pasta salad here. It'll be epic. And then we got a burger here. Alright, let's go eat our pasta salad first. This is this. I actually eat the little first. I eat the little salad because I don't like pasta in the pasta salad. So that's why. So it's this. That's good stuff. And then I will squeeze the gas up. Buy it on the here. Alright, we got a burger. Sushi, yeah. This is this. That's good stuff. Wow. That's good, you know. Wow. And that's it, guys, because it's console, I don't know why, but yeah. So I'm done editing my platform last Wednesday. And then I'm in this where I was for the house. It's over here. Oh yeah, it'll be epic. I'm on season 1, episode 10 of Love is in the Air. Every guys out of show. This is gonna below. And tonight is NXT. And it'll be epic. And tomorrow's another vlog. So, and that's it, guys, here. So, I'm signing off. So, thank you for watching our videos. You can do this. You can sub a like, comment, and subscribe. And turn on your notifications bell. Never miss an upload. And please, when I can post me on this YouTube channel, this kids YouTube channel, and end this experience too, please. And please share the show to family and friends. And please communicate with me. And please follow me at Facebook, Instagram, Substack, TikTok, and Twitter. And even though with that, I have heroes for you guys. So, see, yeah, and Sushi away.